Loud noise is very harmful for our hearing. A one-time exposure to extreme loud sound or listening to loud sounds for a long time like DJ or headphones can cause hearing loss. Listening to loud noise for a long time can overwork hair cells in the ear, which can cause hair cells to die. 5 ways to protect your hearing. 1. Turn the volume down. 2. Walk away from the loud noise. 3. Take breaks from the noise. 4. Avoid loud, noisy activities and places. 5. Use hearing protection like earplugs or earmuffs. We hope this New Year party you will follow all the points for your hearing health. Simran Speech and Hearing Clinic wishes you all a very happy New Year 2023.